Hey everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience and also a career strategist. So today in this video, I'm reviewing one of the most searched free digital marketing courses online, that is Great Learning Academies, and it is Introduction to Digital Marketing course. So let's see whether it is worth of your time or not. Let's find it out. But before we talk about the digital marketing course, so let's talk real about the digital marketing field itself because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, Google Ads, email marketing, website optimizations, and more. So, beyond the technical skills, companies will look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity, and of course, your portfolio, right? So, if I talk about especially the ad agencies, they love creative minds, and any course should not only teach you the tools, but they should help you in building your mindset. Got it? Now I am coming forward. So, the thing is, you don't need to know everything, you just need to be clear at one or two focused areas, and you're good to go. So, the course which I personally trust is linked in my description box. You can definitely go and check this out as well and compare it with another options. Now I'm coming forward. So basically, it's an introduction to digital marketing course provided by the Great Learning, and it is a free course. The course, and it runs for about 3.5 hours. It covers all of the foundational topics you had expect, like the SEO, SEM, social media, affiliate, automated marketing, etc. And it also includes the PR strategies, right? And it is taught by Mr. Vishal Padghan. And right, and but it is completely beginner friendly. So he will break down the real examples, especially in the SEO and the YouTube marketing as mentioned in this website. So let's check for whom this course is suitable. So this is basically absolutely for the beginners and the college students and the freelancers who are exploring the digital marketing field, right? So the course outline is what is the introduction and the type of digital marketing, content marketing. These are some of the modules which will be included in this course, like the SEO, SEM, content marketing, social media marketing. So these are the topics that must be in our digital marketing course, and they are itself in this course, right? So basically, it's a self-paced course with a lifetime access, which is a plus point here. So if anything changes in the future, you will have the access of the same, right? So you can log in anytime, binge learn or take it slow. So it is up to you, right? Plus, if I come to the quizzes, they have not mentioned a brief detail about this course. According to this course, they are also providing you a certificate of completion, which is a decent for your resume or LinkedIn. Although there may be a nominal fee for downloading it, but the learning part is completely free, no strings attached, you know. So they are also providing you some of the quizzes to test your learning after each module, right? So if you are just starting out in digital marketing, this is a solid and no cost way to build your foundation level. You can go for it as if in you are in your foundation level, right? But if you're looking for the tool-based learning and internship support or placements, then you might want to check out more advanced option. I have also linked one more option in my description box. You can definitely go and check this out. If you want more recommendations for more advanced digital marketing programs with placement supports, Gen AI modules, and hands-on tools, so this can be a good one, which I have linked in my description box, you know. So don't forget to check it out and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any doubts in this video. If you have taken this course, then also give you the reviews in the comment section, and if you have any doubts, you can mention them in the comment section as well. I will personally reply all of them one by one. Till then, I will see you in the next video with another course review. Thank you for watching.